Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. Pink color, orange color, grey color, light green color, neon color, dark green color, black color and purple color. Let's start. Light blue color. A for avocado. B for bus. C for car. D for donut. E for egg. F for fruits. G for guava. Dark yellow color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for jam. K for kite. L for lion. M for magic. N for nose. Pink color. O for orange. P for papaya. Q for queen. R for rat. S for strawberry. T for tomato. U for unicorn. Red color. V for vegetable. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yellow color. Z for zebra. So kids, what we learned today? Blue color, dark yellow color, pink color and red color. A for aeroplane, B for bus, C for car, D for donut, E for egg, F for fish, G for guitar, H for hand, I for eyes, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion, M for mango, N for nest, O for orange, P for papaya, Q for queen, R for ring, S for sister, T for tomato, U for umbrella, V for vanilla, W for water, X for xylophone, Y for yellow color, Z for zoo. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.